If your paintings are looking a little bit like this, where, hey, there's not a lot of strong values, the drawing's off, it's painterly, and actually I like this painting, but it's not very good. But this is fixable, and that's what I'm here for. So there's a lot we can do in a very short amount of time. I plan on having a lot of demos, how to start, different starts. I really like doing that. Working through the middle of a painting, how to finish a painting, and when is a painting finished? I think I can answer that, and I think that's a pretty popular topic. We're gonna have a Facebook page, a private page for everybody, and that's where you'll get a lot of really good assistance, and we'll keep it going through the Zoom sessions. So if you want your paintings to look more like this, professional, finished, instead of crazy dog, I recommend that you sign up.